Dude, this American election, it's just crazy. I mean, there's no positive outcome. Whichever way it goes, it'll be a catastrophe. If Joe Biden wins fair and square, Donald Trump is gonna go bananas and push America into the abyss. If Joe Biden wins by a tiny margin, Donald Trump's gonna go bananas and push America into the abyss. Well, and if Donald Trump wins, I mean, there's just no good outcome. And the state of the American democracy sets the tone for politics around the world. If the US went this broken, Erdogan, Bolsonaro, Putin, I mean, these guys wouldn't be behaving the way they do. What can a reasonable person do? Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, he could have at least asked if I wanted to come.